Without further ado, let's start by downloading Checkm8 on your PC. Open a browser, search for Checkm8, and visit its official website. Click Download, then choose the version you need. Next is how to use Checkm8 for iCloud bypass. Once installed, launch Checkm8 on your desktop and connect your iPhone to the PC via USB. Make sure to enter DFU mode, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. A great alternative is MagFone Activation Unlocker. If Checkm8 feels too complex, MagFone offers a simpler option. It supports both iPhone and iPad, and works on Windows and Mac. Next, let's see how to bypass iCloud lock using MagFone Activation Unlocker. First, open MagFone Activation Unlocker on your computer and select the Remove iCloud Activation Lock option on the main interface. Continue to carefully read the disclaimer carefully and proceed to the next step if you agree with it. Once detected, click on Start. After that, you have to manually put your device into DFU mode. If you don't know how to do this, select your device model and follow the steps shown on the screen. When your device is in DFU mode, your device will automatically jailbreak. It will take some time to jailbreak your device. After jailbreaking your device, you can click on the Start button. Then wait for the iPhone to enter recovery mode. Proceed to manually put your device into DFU mode. Then the MagFone software will begin to remove the iCloud activation lock from your device. It will take about 10 minutes to complete the whole process.